Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we're opening Boxy Charm. I don't even know what month it is right now. I think May. Honestly, my days are running together. It's getting a little crazy. Okay, what did we get? Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. And that is $49. 49 doll hairs. Oh, it smells good though. We're gonna have to try that out soon. Okay. We got Halls Laboratories Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, your girl was needing some eyeliner because the last time she bought it was like over a year ago because she's been getting free ones from Boxy Charm. Ooh, it's pointy. It's a felt tip. I like the matte packaging. That's a real nice. Next we got a Pretty Vulgar Uncaged eyeshadow primer. We'll see about it. I don't usually use eyeshadow primers. I usually use concealer. So Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. I'll go ahead and try that right now because if it's hella sticky, I'm not gonna like it. It's not bad. By the way, the eyeliner was 20 bucks. This was 22 bucks. This was 26 bucks. And we have a Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover Cleanser, and this is $18. Doesn't really have a smell, but she's pretty. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Boxy Charm. If you want, leave a link to your video and I'll watch it. Tell me what you liked out of my box, what you didn't like, what you would have preferred to get, what out of my box that you would have rather had. If you got a different box, what you didn't like from your box, what you didn't like from my box. Just say hello, whatever you want. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.